Hey everyone, welcome to the house station. So, as we all know, Christmas is right around the corner. So, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all how I made this very beautiful yet very easy greeting card for Christmas. So, if you haven't yet thought of any gift ideas for your loved ones, you can definitely make this and give it to them. It's very easy to make, and they'll be really happy to receive a beautiful greeting card from you. So, without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. So to make the greeting card, I have got a red color paper over here and I'm going to fold it into half because obviously it's a greeting card. And after I'm done folding it, I've got this white colored paper and I've already cut this in the size according to my red paper, and I'm going to stick this white paper onto the red paper. So this is how it's going to look after I'm done sticking the two papers together. Now I need to draw a circle for which I'm going to use a lid. So I'm going to draw this circle right in the center. So I'm going to be as precise as I can, and then I'm going to draw a smaller circle inside this bigger circle. So I'm just going to use like a compact powder case for that and draw that circle. Well, now I've got these two circles over here, and now in between these two circles I'm going to stick beads over here. So I'm going to apply Fevicol, spread it properly with a brush, and then start sticking the beads one by one. So as you can see, now I am done sticking the beads, but I've left this part over here because over here I'm going to stick this bow. So I'm just going to apply some Fevicol on the bow and stick it. So I've made this bow using a foam sheet. So I took reference from the internet and then I drew the bow on the foam sheet and cut it out, and I've outlined it using a black marker. And yes, I'm just going to stick it over here. If you want, you can even make a bow using a ribbon so it'll look like more realistic, but I'm not sure that how well it will stick or how good the shape will look. That's why I am using this one made out of foam sheet. As I'm done sticking this bow over here, and now there are a few empty gaps over here, so I'm just going to add beads over there in those empty gaps. And yeah, my card is almost done. Now when the Fevicol dries completely and the beads stick properly on my greeting card, I am going to write Merry Christmas on the greeting card because obviously it's for Christmas. So here is my card after the beads have stuck on the card properly, and I've written Merry Christmas over here, and I've also drawn this little like those cherries with the leaves over here, which is completely optional. And yeah, that's it. That's my greeting card.